Okay, Chapter 8, Lesson 7, our hands-on lesson where we're going to use models to write fractions as decimals. Okay, you can use models to write fractions as equivalent decimals. You can also go online into your My Math and you can click on Tools and you can find the work mats for tenths and hundredths in there. So if you prefer to do this digitally, the tools are there for you to do that. So let's begin. Step 1 says write 1/2 as an equivalent fraction with a denominator of 10. So our new denominator is going to have to be 10. Now this time I didn't cover it up. Pretend I did. Okay? So 2 times what is going to get us 10? 5, which means we're going to have to multiply the top and the bottom by 5. So 2 times 5 is 10. 1 times 5 is 5. So we're going to shade a model of 5/10 using the grid. Okay? So they've given us 1/2, and now we're going to shade 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And that should all be colored. You guys get the picture. Let's just pretend. There we go. Okay? All right. So how many tenths are shaded? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The model shows 5/10 or 0.5. So 1/2 is the same as, is equal to 0.5. There. Not so bad. Okay. Now let's try it. Okay? Only this time, they want us to use a model to write 3/4 as a decimal. So step 1, they want us to write 3/4 as a fraction with a denominator of 100. So our denominator needs to be 100. So 4 times what gets us 100? Yes, 25. Which means now we're going to multiply the top by 25 as well. We're going to multiply the numerator by 25. So 3/4 is 75. Lots of times you can just think of your decimals as money, right? So we have 25 cents, which gives us 75. 75 out of 100. So this is 3 out of 4. This is our 3/4. This is our hundredths. We have 10 rows, 10 times. So we have 100. So we're going to shade 75 out of 100 on our 10 by 10 grid. So we're going to go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and now we're only going to shade 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. So that's 75, because the remaining portion that's not shaded is the other 25, for a total of 100 squares. Okay, so how many squares out of the 100 are shaded? 75. The model shows 75 hundredths, or 0.75. So 3/4 is the same as 0.75. Now stop there. Thanks for watching.